Alright kids, here's where we're at. I've taken my 2x6 boards and I've chopped them to make a 8-foot by 6-foot box. I've done that twice. There's two 2x6s on each side, so it's really not a good angle and the light's not really good, but as you can see there are two, and I have taken some lag bolts, some pretty serious lag bolts, and I've bolted the sides up. Here's my lag bolts. They look like that. They're 6-inch long and they're 1/2 inch wide, and I've been using them to bolt. It's right on the corner on these long stretchers, and it's in a few inches on these front and back ones so that it can still go through the same 2x4. I offset them. This one's not centered on the board. It's lower, and the one on this side is centered on the board so that they don't hit each other when they're going into this 4x4. So there's 4 4x4s, one in each corner. They are 6 foot tall. They will provide structure. I'm not quite done. I have this last board to do in front, and so I thought I'd take you along for the ride. Basically, I need to drill a hole in this bottom board right about here somewhere, and get it to edge up against that other one, and then screw in this lag bolt and washer. Should be pretty fun. Hold on, I'll get things set up. Alright, I think we're ready. So if my first step is to lever a metal pipe underneath the bottom of this bottom board, then I'm just gonna line up, try to go as parallel through the board as I can. That way I don't have to worry about problems on the other side. Alright, so I'll just go about the center of the board. Oops. To take it out, you have to reverse it. You can't just pull it out. So I'm drilling in reverse. Here we go. All right, now I can see just a beefy lag bolt goes in that spot. Let me adjust my bar here. It's got to stay about the same place it was when I originally drilled it. These are nice bolts. They were $1.80 a piece. I bought the contractor box and got it down to $1.20 a piece. So this greenhouse has used about 28 bucks worth of bolts. Oh well, when I'm finished, it's not going to move. Alright, I skipped ahead. Who wants to hear me grunt while I'm putting bolts in? This is getting too tight to pull, so I've got this 3-foot section of pipe that I'm just going to use to lengthen my ability to ratchet. Now I'm back to being able to do it. I haven't spent too much time worrying about this one being level, as long as it's bumped up against the top one, which I did worry about being level. All right, one last one to go. Okay, last one. So same kind of thing. Just going to use a lever and a piece of broken down concrete to sort of hold this bottom piece flush against the top. And then because these are front, I need to go in slightly higher, otherwise I'll hit the bolt coming the other direction through the 4x4. So I'm going to go off center high by about an inch and a half, and we'll see where that gets us. Oh, there we go again. Reverse drill. Alright, here we go. I gotta tell you, this is pretty exciting. I've been waiting to get this greenhouse parts. I thought I had all my money set aside to do it, and then I discovered I had to have this elaborate base on the bottom piece in order to secure it from wind and problems with flexing and the like. So I bought everything and said, yay, I'm ready to set it up, only to discover I needed another $100 worth of wood. So anyway, all right, fast forward again, here we go. All right, so last one gets its last turn. There we go. We're cooking with gas now, so this is pretty solid. I'm happy with that. That I think is an amazing plan for construction. Let me take you on the quick tour. So the thing you should know is that there's a 2-foot hole dug in each corner, and each corner has a 6-foot tall 4x4 that's stuck in there so that it can be anchored in the ground. And so that took a little bit of getting to. I had to make sure that all these 4x4s were plumb, coming in at right angles on both sides to the boards, because they need to fit inside my greenhouse, and the plans don't call for those boards. That's my idea. I added the boards because I need this thing to be sturdy, and so now I just need to mix up some concrete. I got Quikrete because heck, it's still winter time. We're still in February, so if I want concrete poured, it needs to be dry before the temperature drops below freezing. So I'm going to dump some Quikrete into these 4 holes, add some water, and then I think we'll be ready to start on the foundation of the aluminum foundation. We already got a foundation. I'll probably remove all this fill dirt that I have in the center, because I'd like it to be 7 foot tall when I stand inside. But this is similar to I had a 4-inch raised bed in this location, and I decided that because we're building a tree house that I wouldn't be able to put my greenhouse where I originally planned. I was going to put it near where our old pine tree was, but I can't do that, and I'll worry that people in the tree house will drop stuff on my greenhouse. So I was going to put it over there by that back gate, but now I think I'll put a tree house 6 foot in the air right here. So I'm too worried about that. Anyway, onto the concrete. All right, I have filled up my 2-foot deep hole with Quikrete, and then I added 1/2 gallon of water according to the directions. Just poured on the top, and it soaks down in, and you don't have to mix it, so I didn't. Very happy. That's the last step to have it ready for me to start using these aluminum members to start building the actual structure of the greenhouse. So after all that effort, I finally can do it. Woohoo!